Hi there, let's make a DIY t-shirt face mask. All you need is a t-shirt and a pair of scissors and some way to measure your face so that you'll know how big to make your face mask. So there's two measurements that you need. One is from like the bridge of your nose to your chin and from cheekbone to cheekbone. So from the bridge of my nose down to my chin is around 5 inches. Add 3 inches to that. And then measure from cheekbone to cheekbone. And mine is 8, but this time you're going to subtract 2 inches from that because the t-shirt fabric will stretch a bit. All right, so I've placed it at 8 inches, and it really doesn't have to be perfect. So you're going to cut across the t-shirt. And then we're going to cut the middle section and make the ties for it. And it still doesn't have to be perfect there. We're going to cut down the middle. Then we're going to take these cut ends together. Just get those a little bit straight. It really doesn't matter that your seams don't match either. If you want to be more particular, you can. But in the grand scheme of things, it's not that important. And we're going to cut a U shape here. We're going to leave about 2 inches on each side for the ties, and since crossways for the mask I was 8 inches, but I took off 2 inches, which would make it 6 total, and this is on a fold, so I want to leave 3 inches. That's where my U shape will end up being, or close to U shape. So we're just going to cut up the side. It's about 2 inches, maybe 1.5 inches or so up. Measure where my 3 is. That's about right. And then the other side, cut it up to about the 3. And then cut across. And like I said, it doesn't matter how good or bad it is because no one's going to see that in a moment. So now let me show you what it looks like when it all comes apart. You just open it up. Here's your mask. And you're going to take the top part, fold it down a bit, and cover your nose over the ears and tie it in the back. And you'll have to adjust it a bit for your eyes. And also, the length of the straps depends on the size of your t-shirt. So some of them might be a bit long, so you can just cut off part of the tips of them. And then you fold the bottom under your chin, tie it around your neck, and you have a face mask. You could also put a coffee filter inside there, and since you folded it, it's got a little pocket that it can also set in. So there is a quick and easy DIY face mask. Thanks for watching.
We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, and we'd love it if you would subscribe to our channel. Thanks.